Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to search for Telegram channels using Telegram Desktop. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, look at the search bar in the top left corner of the Telegram window. Click on the search bar to start searching. For this example, I will search for a news channel. Type BBC News into the search bar. As you type, Telegram will display matching search results. Look through the results and find the channel you want to open. Now, click on the channel from the search results. The channel page will open, where you can view the channel name, profile picture, and available posts. You can scroll through the channel to view its content and check whether it is the channel you were looking for. Telegram search can also help you find other public channels by searching for different names, topics, or keywords. For example, you can search for technology, sports, news, entertainment, or any other topic that interests you. When you find the channel you are looking for, you can open it and join the channel if you want to receive its updates. And that's it. You now know how to search for Telegram channels using Telegram Desktop. Thanks for watching.